Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. So today I'm back with another unique video on this unboxing of the Realme Chromebook tablet. As you can see, friends, so right now there is a Black Friday sale going on right now here. So where I'm staying is in the Australia. So right now there's a Black Friday sales going on in the Amazon website, and this is the price which I got for this tablet around 329 Australian currency. So it's close to 15,000 to 16,000 Indian rupees. So right now in India it's available for 28,000, but right now I got in the Black Friday sale for about only 16,000. So for the 16,000 you're getting very good package with this Lenovo Chromebook device. So one of the good unique thing about this tablet is that the tablet comes with the inbuilt keyboard. So there is a inbuilt keyboard which comes with the tablet in the box, so you don't need to buy anything. So that is a main plus point to buy this tablet, so where I don't need to spend extra money for the keyboard itself. So let me try to unbox this Lenovo Chromebook tablet right now. So let's see, friends, what will be the contents in the box. How does the tablet look? And this is the first time me trying the Chromebook in my studio. So I'll be trying to update you regarding the Chromebook, and in case if you're interested in this tablet, do let me know in the comments below. And while unboxing, I'll try to go through this kind of specifications about this tablet. The tablet has the 10 inches of screen size and 7000 mAh of battery. So 7000 is very good battery capacity. And the tablet weighs around 450 grams, so which is not that too thick as well. So it is a tablet, friends, and this is a unique kind of design, so which is going on the top. It is kind of a blue color, and in the bottom one is a black color, as you can see. So this is a unique kind of design which is there, and this is my first Lenovo Chromebook device in my channel. So let me try to boot up this one, and then I can try to continue to unbox this tablet. So far the initial impressions are very positive about this tablet. I did like this slim profile, and even the bezels are not too thick, but definitely it's kind of thick, I would say. But when you're holding the tablet in your hand, it's good to have this kind of thick bezels. And next is the webcam is present in the horizontal way, which is very good for the video call when you're doing in the horizontal. So instead of having on the top, so which is easy and convenient feature. And let me keep this side, and let's see what are the things we get in the box. So let me try to open one by one. So let's see. I think this is a keyboard. So this is a keyboard, friends, finally. So which is very good keyboard. The quality looks very good. So I did see so many reviews online, and then I decided to buy this tablet after seeing the so many reviews. And even for 15,000 rupees you are getting very good branded company from the Lenovo, and with the Google Chromebook OS, so which is also another advantage in terms of this tablet. And it is a keyboard. As I said, the keyboard is also pretty good, and you do get this kind of mouse cursor, so which is also very good. I'll try to do in-depth review on this keyboard later on, but it feels very good. Nowadays, with the work from this home culture, you need to have this kind of portable device, so which works as a laptop and even for the normal usage. So it is a case, so backside case, so which is very good, and which is a magnetic case. So this is a magnetic case which will be sticking to this tablet directly. So it is a very good strong magnet, as you can see, friends. It doesn't come easily, the magnets. So it will also act as a kickstand as well. So let me try to take the stand, as you can see. So tablet can be in the stand mode if you want, like that. So in the box, I think there's some papers and there is some charger. So let me see what I did have here. The charger is of only 10 watt fast charging, though that's not the very super fast charging, but it's a 10 watt charging only. And it is a cable and charging adapter. I think there is no 3.5mm jack, so that's why they have included the dongle, this kind of dongle here. So overall, friends, the tablet is of 10.1 inches screen size, 10 inches screen size, 10.1 inches, and 7000 mAh of battery, and which has the 4GB RAM variant and 128GB model, and only one back camera and front camera, 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and 7000 mAh of battery. So that is also good. So this is a quick unboxing review of this Chromebook tablet, so which is very good, and I'll try to update you regarding this one. In case if you want to know more details about this tablet, do comment below. I'll try to make a videos on that one as well, gaming or Antutu benchmark or any other test. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.